In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish Reels on Facebook. Let's launch the app first. You want to go all the way to the top where is the plus sign next to the magnifying glass and the messenger icon. You click on the plus sign and then you select Reel. You click on Reels and now, for example, you want to create a particular picture with a sound with some editing for Reels. We choose this thumbnail from our previous video. Now, you can go about it in many different ways. You can definitely explore, first of all, the audio functionality, which means you can actually add a music or you can add a voiceover. If you add some of these functions on top of the regular music or sound or voiceover, you need to adjust the levels of each one. For example, if you have a music, you want to make sure that the music tone is much lower than the actual voiceover so people can actually hear your voiceover, and vice versa. If you don't have reasons for people to hear your voiceover more than the music, you want to simply make the tone higher than the actual voiceover. We're not going to add music in this case, but what we can actually do as well, we can add some text. You can add whatever you like, but the idea over here is that the full customization makes the post great. You can change the background of the covers, you can change the font, you can change where the font is actually located on the screen. The alignment of the font is very, very important. In our case, that will be enough. Now we can scroll down and we can actually add a particular effects on this, right? We can add plenty of different effects to be more vintage, to be more moved, to look like a poster, to look like more like a IG theme, right? If you have a voiceover, it will also be nice to include the captions, which is the button beneath the effects. You click on captions. We don't have any sound or any voice. This is why captions is not available for us. But we can use the other remaining features such as the stickers. For example, here you can actually include the time, you can include an avatar, you can include Friday as a celebration of Friday, for example. Then everything could be moved around. If you don't like something, all you gotta do is to put your finger on top of it, hold your finger, and then drag it all the way down to the garbage bin. Next, what you wanna do when you finish editing, you gotta press next, and over here you have the function to actually choose who can see your reel. That's very, very important. You can select part of your friends to see the reel. You can actually tag the friends that you really want to see and you want to make sure that they can see the reel. You can add the location. Very important, you can automatically share the reel on Instagram. There is an option called share to Instagram. I don't have this automatically on, but you can set this as a default. So every time when you post a new reel, it will automatically go post it on Instagram as well. You can add different topics. For example, if your reel is related to TV shows, to sports, to pets, to your hobby, vacation, this will make it much easier for the algorithm of Facebook to deliver your video to the right audience. So you will essentially have more engagement. Otherwise, it will be hard for the Facebook algorithm to find audience or the right audience for your video. Next option, of course, you can invite someone else to collaborate with you on the particular content, or if it was someone that you record the video with, you can actually include this person over here, invite collaborator. You can also earn money if you're eligible and have a professional account. You can get rewarded if you actually turn on the stars. And essentially, guys, that's it. Include some caption, describe your video, and don't forget to change or at least filter the publicity of the reel. Do you want to see your reel being public and having people that you don't know commenting, liking, interacting with? Or you want to create a reel and just share it with your friends? Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels on your own phone. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Let's pick a reel. This sounds like a cool one. Let's download it. You want to click on the three dots on the lower right corner. Then you want to copy the link of the video. Then I want you to go on Google and I want you to type fdownloader.net. Here we're going to paste the link with the you just copied, right? This is different app. And there is the video that we actually placed with the goat. All you gotta do is to select the quality in which you want to download and click download. As you can see, you have an option to render and you have an option to actually download without rendering. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you first of all how to create a reel on Facebook, save it as a draft, and then how to find this draft so you can publish it later on. So let's dive in. First, let's launch the Facebook app. You want to click on the plus sign on the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, you want to select reel. Then you want to select what you want to publish. We want to publish this particular thumbnail over here. After finish with editing on this small settings menu on the right, you want to click next. And right before publishing, there is a small folder button next to the post button. You want to click on the small folder over here. And you will have two options. You either gonna save it as a draft and it will be saved for 60 days period and then it will be removed, or you want to download. Let's click saved as draft, okay? Then you want to go back. And now when we again hit the plus sign and start creating a brand new reel, right, we are going to scroll the top menu and you will find the draft over here. You see the small notification. You want to click on the drafts and you want to find the one that we just saved. You want to click on it. It's simple. You can proceed with next and you can proceed with publish. Very simple, very easy. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on Facebook Reels by just sharing the revenue from the ads. Let's launch the Facebook app and let's see what are the requirements. First thing that you want to do, you want to come over here at Meta Business Help Center. And I want you to look on the search bar, eligibility requirements for ads on Facebook Reel. Then I want you to scroll down and you will find that there are particular requirements. The eligibility requirements for ads on Facebook Reel. First thing is that you must be invited to the program. I think this is very disappointing, but let's see what they're looking for so they can actually invite you. You must be on a page, new page or professional mode for profiles. So first thing first, guys, you need to create a Facebook page, okay? Or you need to run your Facebook account in professional mode. From the professional mode account or from your or from your Facebook page, you have to publish your reels, okay? Second step, you must pass and remain compliant with Facebook partner monetization policies and content. Okay, this is essentially original content, no copyright music, no copyright content from other channels, no news related stuff. Everything has to be original. Step number 4, you must be at least 18 years old. That's very normal and usual. Now, are we going to cut through the last requirement? You also must reside in one of the following countries or territories. Okay, let's see. Do you see your country? Wow, that's a lot of countries. So you have US, you have UK, United Arab Emirates, okay, Ukraine, Saudi Arabia, Switzerland, Romania. Okay, let's see what. Okay, so you have a lot of European countries, a lot of Middle Eastern countries. Okay, let's say we have Bolivia, Colombia, Denmark, Dominican Republic, a lot of South American countries. Okay, Ecuador. You have Canada, Brazil. I don't see any. I think you have Bangladesh. But where are all the Asian countries? Okay, you have Hong Kong. Okay, you have Indonesia, India. Okay, Iraq. So pretty much all the all the big countries are over here. So essentially, guys, this is all about it. Ads on Facebook Reels is currently in a test phase. Meta may restrict your access to ads on Facebook on its raw discretion at any time. Remember how Facebook used to have like a special program where if you publish 3 videos by this date, you're gonna get like what, $100, and that program simply disappeared. But I heard good things about these Reels ads. I heard that people are making good money. So guys, go ahead, and I think if you create your new page, right, and publish your Reels through your new page or through your professional account, I think there's a high chance for you to get invited, especially if you publish a lot and if you essentially get a lot of traction. The good thing I see is that they don't have like a special requirement for you to have like a bunch of followers or like millions of views or millions of impressions, which could be like a hard barrier to entry, right? They just say that it's invitation only, meaning that they are looking for something specific. So your best luck will be simply publishing a lot of content, and hopefully that they will find the thing that they're looking for. Are they looking for particular engagement, click-through rate, how long they're watching the videos, how many videos you are publishing, what kind of videos? Probably they're looking for particular type of niches, right? So for you to be able to find out, the only way to do it is simply by publishing a lot of content. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels on your Facebook app. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram and let's take a look and try to find a reel that we want to share on our Facebook account. As I promised you guys, it will be very easy, just 2 clicks and you're done. So you want to scroll down and you want to look at the section that is under the actual video. Okay, you have the heart, you want to like it, you can comment it, and then you can click on the paper airplane. When you click on the paper airplane, you have this small menu underneath over here. You want to scroll down on the side until you find the option over here for Facebook. This is where you're going to click and you're going to share the Instagram Reels on Facebook. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels on your story on Instagram. This is a brand new feature very few people know about, okay? Let's launch the Instagram app and let's find a Reels that it's cool and it looks good. That's something that we can actually share on our story. Something that will vibe with us. Let's say, for example, I like this one. So let's say I want to share this to my personal story. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on the paper airplane underneath, okay? When you're over here, you see there is a section that it says add to story. So I'm going to click on this add to story and this will automatically proceed with creation of brand new story on your account. You can edit by simply adding the original creator, tagging him, giving credits, and then click share. This is how simple it is, guys. You are one of the very few people who know about this method. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels on Canva app using your phone. Very easy, guys, very simple. So the first thing, you want to come over here, guys, you want to click on social media on the upper settings. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on Instagram, and then you want to scroll slowly to the Instagram Reels over here. Now I want you to click save. Now I want you to click CO. What you want to do right now is that you want to filter all the results by simply pushing up. Now we're going to click on style. In our case, we're going to create a very interesting, let's cue it professional or creative. Let's set as a creative mode. Then we're going to slide on the side and we're going to choose our theme, which in this particular case could be essentially anything. In our case, we're going to use the party theme, okay? This is how simple it is. Sometimes it works a little slow, so you gotta be patient. Then you're gonna filter by price. You're gonna use only the free templates, which will allow you to expand in Excel more using your budget for other purposes. So let's select this video over here. This is how you're going to create the reels. If you click play, you will see how everything will be matching to itself. If you go back, you're gonna see that every element that you click on is customizable. This is very good and very important because you know and you realize that you can adjust everything. For example, all these flowers on the side, you can essentially scroll through the menu over here and you can change them, okay? You can make them darker. You can use completely different font. You can make them warmer over here on the side. Everything could be adjusted. Everything could simply be edited, which is mind-blowing. As you can see also over here, you can change the actual color and the font by simply clicking fonts. If you can see over here, we can change the font, making it much more easier for people to read while they're watching the videos, right? You realize that especially if you copying and pasting quotes like a lot of people are doing, they're simply pasting a quote, and essentially the background matters a lot. Small letters, small fonts are not something that you want to go after. This is why putting a different effects on the actual theme is very important. Like simply adjusting the lining and creating a brush tool which will help you on the following phase using the magic edit tool, right? It's simply very interesting considering that a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people are not aware that this is something as an option that exists. Also, you can resize it, right? You can make it larger, you can move it around, or if you don't like it, you can essentially click it and we can just remove it. Same like this text over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.